Awake to knee, I'm bleeding through the steel. Heavy boots, they cold, the fate I feel. I've cut my chains, I cannot see. Iron grips hide the treachery. Every step, my hunger leaves a mark. Knuckles bruised, but I still spark. Breath turns a fire inside of me. I won't kneel to their tyranny. Tension rises, metal grows within. One last fight where I begin. I tear apart these handcuffs made of air. Light explodes as I cut through despair. Try to break me, but I don't care. Everyone just makes me more aware. Handcuffs shatter into dust. I rise up strong in flames of trust. Their eyes are cages cold and tight. The thunder burns in me tonight. Promises melt in my hands, and I reshape their iron plans. They fed me lies through factory smoke, but mine was the only thing they broke. Steel nerves sing as visions grow. A kingdom built from stone below. Fate twists, gears begin to turn. Only battle left to learn. I tear apart these handcuffs made of air. Light explodes as I cut through despair. Try to break me, but I don't care. Everyone just makes me unaware. Handcuffs shatter into dust. I rise up strong in face of trust. Let anger carve roads through the plain. Storm forge warriors from the pain. My crown's made from broken laws. No prison left to give me pause. Bring your thunder, hear me shout. Victory screams as fears burn